Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, creative, amazing and trendy ideas of all our embroidery patterns. These different type of mini floral all over embroidery patterns are very easy, simple, creative, unique and elegant, and at the same time they look very elegant, and they are in trend for many years, or you can say decades, and for upcoming period of time they will remain trendy. So this video contains three different parts. First one contains very beautiful, creative and stylish elegant patterns of all over embroidery patterns that could be specifically used for shirts, kameez, kurti or tops. Even t-shirts, sweatshirts could also be designed. You can also embroider these very beautiful patterns of all over embroidery onto your hand embroidered, onto your handmade, hand knitted poncho, cardigans, sweaters as well. So the second part contains hand embroidered trousers, palazzos, and any type of bottoms. And the third part contains general all over embroidery patterns that could be used for shirt embroidery, that could be used for bottom embroidery, and also they can be used for baby girl dress designing, dupatta, shawl, stole, or any type of sari pallu or border designing. So let's move back towards our main detailing. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Guys, we try our best to share amazing, trendy and beautiful ideas with you, and your response make our efforts fruitful. So keep commenting, keep liking our videos, keep watching our channel, and stay tuned for the more new upcoming videos on my channel. And one more thing with my subscribers and my YouTube family members, I was having some health issues because of which I was not able to connect with you by sharing these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery designs on daily basis. From now on, we will try our best to share amazing, stylish, and trendy patterns on daily basis without any delay. And one more thing, guys, in all of my videos, I share with you that we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and idea of making videos and sharing design ideas with you on my channel through this platform is to share creativities and ideas with the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery, who are artists of hand embroidery, or who like the designs of hand embroidery. So this was all for today, guys. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. In the comment section, comment below that what you want us to share with you in our new and latest upcoming videos. What are your style and design pattern choices and interests? Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.